Hello guys, this is the 2024 Genesis GV80. For 2024, it's basically just a carryover, so nothing changed for 2024. This GV80 is finished in Maliku Gray, does have a ton of metallics in it. I really like this gray color. And this Genesis has two packages. It does have the Advanced package and the Prestige package. The Prestige package is a $5,000 option, and the Advance is a $7,000 option. That makes this SUV $80,000 with destination. But let's go ahead and take it on a POV test drive and see how this Genesis GV80 will do. Alright, here's the interior of this 2024 Genesis GV80. So for 2024, nothing was changed. It's basically just a carryover, and this thing still looks very, very good. I think Genesis did such a great job with this SUV. It looks amazing from the front, the back, the side view. It does have beautiful 22-inch rims. Seeing out of this SUV is perfect. Beautiful 14.5-inch screen, a 3D 12.3-inch cluster display. This is part of a package, but yeah, this one has basically the Advanced and Prestige package, and as I said, the Advanced package is $7,000 and the Prestige package is $5,000. The Prestige package adds the 3D display, does add the suede headliner, which honestly looks amazing, and does add the active noise cancellation, the power and ventilated second row, and it does have the soft closing doors. And for the Advanced package, power folding third row, surround view, which I'm going to show you right now. The backup camera on this Genesis is just amazing. It does have the remote smart park, collision avoidance assistance, basically has rear cross traffic with rear braking, Lexicon sound system, which I think is I think this Lexicon sound system is such a beautiful, clear, high quality sound system. 3-zone climate control, and there is heated seats in the back, so this is part of the Advanced package, and the Prestige package adds the cool seats. And this one does have the Argo massaging function only on the driver's seat with the Advanced package. Price is $79,000, almost $80,000. But you do get a lot of stuff. Beautiful fit and finish. I love this blue. Door panels look amazing. I love this peanut butter interior. I think it does look very, very good. Power folding mirrors, memory seats, beautiful speakers. As I said, Lexicon sound system. Fit and finish is just amazing. I really like this SUV. Very luxurious, high quality stuff. Love the leather. There's a storage place right here. But let's go ahead and take this Genesis on e-drive and see how it does. But actually, before we do that, I want to show you the backup camera and the 360. You could see the front rims. 360 looks amazing. Let me go ahead and show you the 3D view. 3D view on Genesis is just amazing. Very easy to use, very clear, high quality stuff. They are seriously doing an amazing job. Seat belt tightens up, pushes me back to the seat, gives me that secure feel. Beautiful 14.5-inch screen, as I told you guys. And it is extremely quiet in here. Like, I'm not hearing that much from the outside. Like, the cars passing by, I'm not really hearing them. There is the blind spot camera, looks amazing. When you signal, it does display in that 12.3-inch screen. Let's go ahead and set the climate to 70. Does have ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. A lot of features in this SUV. I did do a lot of videos of the GV80, and this thing is just amazing. This 3.5 turbocharged engine is just amazing and responsive. It just wants to go. We're gonna hop on the highway and we'll do an acceleration for you guys. Let's go ahead and change the drive mode to sport. There is Snow, Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Individual. It is in sport mode now. And there's paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, so you could control your own gears this way. This transmission is snappy. Does have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Steering wheel is... it doesn't feel like it's connected to the road. Doesn't have any feedback. Feels very numb. Oh yeah, this transmission shifts quick in sport mode, normal mode. If you leave it in automatic mode or use the paddle shifters, it will still shift very quick, and that's what I like about this 8-speed automatic transmission. Nice, responsive. A little bit of wind noise, but I am on a bridge, so I think that's expected. And this is an SUV, but it is very, very comfortable and very quiet in here, beside a little bit of wind noise, which is completely fine. So I'm doing 70 miles per hour. There is no tire noise from those 22-inch rims. I'm not exactly sure what package. I believe they come with the Prestige package, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember if it was the Advanced or Prestige, but I do think that it was the Prestige. But seriously, those rims are, or those tires are very, very quiet. And doing 70-80 miles per hour, it is extremely quiet in here. So let's go ahead and talk about this 3.5 twin turbocharged V6. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. This SUV has a lot of power. And dropping the gears all the way to 1, we're going all the way down to the first gear. Honestly, it's not jerky, it's very smooth, so I really like that. A lot of buttons, a lot of storage places right here. There's a phone wireless charger, 2 USBs, 2 cup holders. Here is the drive mode. You could turn on this, you could turn on the camera by clicking this button right next to the drive mode. You could see the 3D, 360. Such a beautiful, clear camera system. This is the car in front of me. You could see the down view, but truly impressed with this camera system. It's seriously amazing. As I said, 2 cup holders. This right here will control the screen, the 14.5-inch screen. Ventilated seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated back seats. The ventilated is part of the Prestige package. The Advanced package adds the heated function. Steering wheel looks good, nice, thick. A lot of people don't like the 2-spoke. I honestly don't mind it in a luxury SUV like this one. Brightness control, engine shut off, traction control, tailgate release, and e-brake. I love this peanut butter. This is extremely soft, padded. I love the stitching. Everything just looks very good in this SUV. You could control the back climates from here. As I said, guys, it does have climate control. Steering wheel is nice and light, actually, in sport mode. It does have a little bit heavy in sport mode, but not that much. There's not a huge difference between sport and normal mode. Just gonna put this thing back in comfort mode, test the steering wheel again. Definitely lighter, but sport mode doesn't really make it that heavy. We're gonna go ahead and do an acceleration right here. Oh yeah, you're not going to have any issues merging on the highway, passing someone. This thing is extremely comfortable. It has enough power to merge on the highway. 0 to 60 is in 6.1 seconds, and the ground clearance on this Genesis GV80 is 8.1. So getting in and out of this SUV is just very easy. Let's go ahead and put this thing back in comfort mode. In eco mode, it does make stuff very lazy. So transmission, the engine, the gas pedal, the pedal response is very slow, which is expected to save some gas. Let's go ahead and put this thing back in comfort mode, and let's go ahead and use the turn on the safety features. So the adaptive cruise control is active, steering assist is active, the lane keeping assist is active. So basically all the nice safety features are active. This SUV does have blind spot monitoring system, does have rear cross traffic with the reverse braking. So if you're backing up and it detects that there's a car passing by or something behind you, it will actually apply the brakes. As I said, guys, visibility is very, very good. Beautiful screen, and yeah, overall it's such a beautiful, comfortable interior and SUV. Let's go ahead and open the sunroof. This panoramic sunroof looks amazing. And as I said, guys, this is finished in suede. This is part of a package. I believe this is a part of the advanced package, if I'm not mistaken. And in the second row, I did mention that there is ventilated seats, cold seats, and those back seats are actually powered just like the front two seats. So the steering assist, lane keeping assist, everything works good. This one actually has the lane changing, and I really like this feature about this Genesis GV80. The brakes feel actually very good. At first it felt like they're not that good, but once you press the pedal more, they're definitely very confident. I love the cold seats. Of course, they have the heated function as well with heated steering wheel. I really wish there was a USB Type-C in this SUV. There's two USB Type-A's, and I really wish they had the Type-C. There's an outlet in the back with the climate control buttons. So definitely this thing is packed with features, and you are getting your money worth from this SUV. Oh yeah, this thing is definitely nice and responsive from a dead stop. Again, guys, 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. For a big heavy SUV like this, I think those numbers are good. So Genesis, lane keeping assist, steering assist, adaptive cruise control. I think their system is very, very good, and I think it's one of the best out there between Hondas, Nissans, and Toyota. I think theirs is very, very smooth. Even in Kias and Hyundais, I think their systems is much better than Honda and Toyotas. Let's go ahead and do a turning radius here and see how good this GV80 turning radius is. definitely very good for a big SUV like this. I really like that. Again, guys, this camera system is just amazing. You could see behind you. You could zoom in and zoom out of the 360. Packed with features. Does have electronically controlled suspension, which is very nice. The suspension setup is just very, very comfortable in this thing, and it's such a beautiful SUV. Everything looks good, everything is nice and soft. The fan finish is just amazing. You have 100,000 miles warranty with 10 years. So for 80,000, I think this thing is packed with features. Of course, it's not cheap. And this is in normal mode, and in normal mode it just goes. There's no delay, there is no lag from the turbos. This thing is just nice and responsive. When you put it in sport mode, it does make those fake engine noises from the speakers, which is fine. It's not that much, honestly, so I'm fine with that. As I told you guys, brakes feel very nice and confident. I really like this 14.5 inch screen, a beautiful 12.3 inch screen in front of me. Oh yeah, this thing just goes when you hit the gas pedal. And for the fuel economy numbers, they are 18 in the city, 23 highway, and 20 combined. I honestly think the MPGs are not bad for a big, heavy SUV like this one. So definitely impressive. And yeah, this SUV is just amazing. I think it's very luxurious, very quiet, and I think Genesis did a great job. Seriously, this SUV is amazing. Yes, it is 80,000, and that's expensive, but you are getting a ton of things. By the way, this screen has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but I do need the USB Type A to be able to connect to view the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I really wish there was a USB Type C. Has good amount of power, 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque are more than enough to pass someone, merge on the highway, do whatever you want to do with it. I love the interior of this thing. I love the wood. I did find this silver trim a little bit too shiny when the sun is hitting it. Nice and spacious. You could control this seat from those two buttons. I love the suede headliner. I love the combination, the blue combination with the peanut butter, and this Malibu gray looks very, very good. But I do really like the blue exterior on the GV80. But yeah, overall, such a beautiful SUV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this 2024 Genesis GV80. If you guys are around, if you guys are interested, make sure to come and see Sam here at Genesis of Milford. And before I end this video, I would like to let you guys know that I came out with my own car detailing products. So if you guys are interested in any car detailing products, make sure to check out my website in the description of this video. I'm going to go ahead and attach the link of the website. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because it does help a lot. And as always, I'll see you next time.